to this English task. This is all on, would you put your best friend out on the street? So last year in Britain, there were over 100,000 stray dogs. And this is a bit of a shame for Britain as a nation, because Britons, they're animal lovers, and they love cats and dogs, and they love having pets. But unfortunately, over 100,000 dogs are abandoned every year in the UK, and this is a hidden problem. Now, we may not see stray dogs or dogs walking around on our streets, and the reason for that is that our councils do such a fantastic job that if they do find or see a stray dog, they will actually pick up the dog pretty much very quickly. Now, a lot of the times, the owners have around about 7 days to collect their dogs or their pets and come forwards. But sometimes if they don't, then those dogs are actually put to sleep. However, councils do work with a lot of charities like RSPCA around the country, whereby they actually find homes for these dogs. And if they can't find homes for these dogs, that's when the dogs are put to sleep. So the main reason why a lot of these dogs are actually abandoned is because people will buy them as pets or as presents and gifts for Christmas, but they realize later the responsibility of looking after a pet dog is quite considerable. Especially in the situation that we're 19 and people losing their jobs and not having enough money, they can't actually afford to keep a dog. And that's when they actually abandon their pets. So have a read of this in more detail, and you've got some questions to answer thereafter. And we'll go through this comprehension task in our next lesson. Good luck with this.